Ogenga uria niwe director munene wa Kambuni ya Nita Muthenya wa Mwambiririo Niaatuirirwo yani wa tenda ya Muigana wa shilingi milioni 4.8 ya Uthondeki na Ukinyaniria wa Mashini cia Urutani na njira ya ungumania. Ogenga aratuika ni ahuthirite wabici yake oru niguo kuguna Kambuni ya Exponix Limited na shilingi milioni 4,654 na njira ya gwetikira marihi kuma kuri kambuni iyo iguru ria gukinyithirio mashini icio gwikirirwo kurutirwo na guthondekerwo kwa mashini cia urutani gatagati ka muthenya wa mwisho wa mweri wa Januari mwaka-ini wa 2019 na muthenya wa mwisho wa mweri wa June mwaka-ini wa 2021 thiini wa bururi.
Count number 2, abuse of office contrary to section 46 as well as section 48 of the Anti-Corruption and Economic Crimes Act 2003. Particulars of the offence are: Stephen Ogenga, between 31st January 2019 and 30th June 2021, within the Republic of Kenya, being the Director General National Industrial Training Authority, you used your office to improperly confer a benefit of Kenya shillings 4,800,654 to Exponix Limited by authorizing payments to the said company in respect of tender number Nita /12/2017-2018 for the supply, delivery, installation, commissioning, training, servicing, maintenance, and repair of sewing and training machines. True or not true?
Ogenga acirithirio mena mutongoria wa hau kabere wa Nita Paul Kipsang Kosgei uria utanekinyia igoti-ini. Kosgei kugerera wakiri wake ndanetikania na riboti iyo akiuga ati hindi iyo ari murwaru na ari kwao Kericho. Anene a Exponix Limited onao matinahonoka amu ni macirithirio ni kuiya indo cia muingi na muoroto wa kimaheni wa tenda iyo ya Nita. Atatu aya aria makanire mahitia mothe no megucirithio na ihitia ringi ria kuheana kiraniro kia maheni tenda-ini iyo.
Count number 3, Exponix Limited, James Waweru, Sheila Wamboi Nyakinyo, you are charged with offence of fraudulent acquisition of public property contrary to section 45(1)(a) as read with section 48(1) of the Anti-Corruption and Economic Crimes Act 2003. Particulars of the offence are: between 15th April 2019 and 30th June 2021, within the Republic of Kenya, being a limited liability company and its directors respectively, you fraudulently acquired public property to wit Kenya shillings 10,109,064.69 by presenting a falsified bid to ensure an unfair advantage in respect to tender number Nita /12/2017 to 201 for the supply, delivery, installation, commissioning, training, servicing, maintenance, and repair of sewing and training machines for the financial year 2017-2018. True or not true?
Oho, atatu aya matinakararia itua ria igoti ria kumarekereria na bodi no ni mahoire igoti kurekererio kwa passport ciao hamwe na rutha rwa kuma nja ya bururi.
They are all Kenyan citizens, you know. They've been working in the service for a long time. That will restrain their movements. That is the depositing of their passports. On the basis, you know, that you know, has also been requested to impose such further conditions as the court may find reasonable.
Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV, Jetekaga Wangari wa Njuguna.